Hello, my dear children. Welcome to English class. Hope all are fine and doing good. So, worksheet 9 and 10. Okay, today we focus on worksheet 9 and 10. Here it is, children. See, worksheet 9, the concept, the topic of this worksheet is things at school. Things at school. So what are the things you see at school, children? We see bag, books, pencils, pens, erasers, sharpeners. No, children, water bottles, tiffin box. No, these are the things we carry to school. No? So, we'll move to the bits given here. Okay, see children here. First bit, match the following picture with correct word. Match the following picture with correct word. Left side pictures are given and right side words are given. No children? So, we have to match with the picture to the correct word. See here, what is the first picture? Pen. Second picture, bat. Third picture, ball. Fourth picture, skipping rope. And fifth picture, book. See the right side, the words given. Ball, B-A-L-L, ball. P-E-N, pen. B-O-O-K, book. B-A-T, bat. Skipping rope, S-K-I-P-P-I-N-G, skipping, R-O-P-E, rope. So we have to match the correct word to the picture. So here's the children, pen. Where is the pen here? The second word is a pen. So we have to match. We have to draw the line to the picture to the word. See the next picture, bat. Where's the bat here? Here it is bat. So draw a line to the picture to the word. Third picture is ball. Where's the ball here? It is there in first. No children? First word is ball. So we have to match ball to the picture. Skipping rope. Fourth one is skipping rope. No, where's the skipping rope word? Here. Last one. No, skipping rope. So draw a line to the picture to the word. Fifth picture. What? See the fifth picture? Book. So where's the book word here? Here it is. Okay, book. So we should draw a line to the picture to the word. Again, I will show in the class work. Okay, children? Now, we'll see next bit. Second bit. See here. Name the picture using helping words. Name the picture using helping words. Here are the words given in the bracket. What are the words given in the bracket? See children. N-E-T net, N-I-N-E nine, N-O-S-C nose, N-E-C-K neck, E-Y-E-S eyes. So in these pictures eyes are not given. In the picture eyes are not given children. Instead of eyes we'll write there X. Okay. E-G-G-S X. Okay. So see the first picture. What is the first picture? What is the first picture, children? Yes, nose. No, nose. So we have to write here the blanks given, no, children. So we have to write the spelling, the suitable word, suitable spelling here in the dash. So first picture is nose. So we have to write N-O-S-E nose in the dash. See the second picture. What is the second picture, children? Yes, it's net. No, it's a net. N-E-T net. So we have to write net, N-E-T net in the dash. Okay. See the third picture. It is a nest and X. No, X. So here eyes are given. No, in the place we have to write X. Okay. So we have to write here in the dash X. See the fourth picture. What is the fourth picture, children? It's a neck. No? It's a neck. So we have to write N-E-C-K, neck, in the blank. What is the fifth picture? It's a number 9. No, it's a number 9. So we have to write N-I-N-E, 9, in the blank here. Okay? You got it, children? Again, I will show in the class work. See the third bit. Write the missing letters. Write the missing letters. See, first one is net. Now, N dash T. N dash T, net. N-E-T, net. N-E-T, net. N-U-T, nut. Both are correct. No, you can write E or you can write U. N-E-T, net, correct word. N-U-T, nut, correct word. No. Now see second one. N dash S-E. N dash S-E, nose. No. N-O-S-E, nose. We should write O there. Okay. Now see third one. N-U dash S-E. N-U dash S-E. N-U-R-S-E, nurse. No. N-U-R-S-E, nurse. Now fourth one, N dash C-K. So what is the correct spelling, children? N-E-C-K. No, we have to write there E. No, N-E-C-K, neck. Fifth one, N-E-S-T, nest. So we should write S there. N-E-S-T, nest. No, net, nose, nurse, neck, nest. Okay? All the words started with N. Okay? Now, see the fourth bit, children. Draw the picture of a bat, ball, and color it. So, you have to draw a picture of a bat and ball, and you have to color it. Okay? You have to color the pictures, bat and ball. So we will finish worksheet 9. Okay, now we'll see worksheet 10. See here, again the same concept. Things at school. Worksheet number 10. The concept is things at school. Okay, see the first bit. Circle the things you see in school. Circle the things you see in school. Here are the things given. So we have to circle the things we see in school. What are the things we see in the school? Those things we have to circle it. Okay. So first we look into the things. What are the things given here? See, children. Teacher. Okay, teacher, sofa, pencil, bag, school bag, clock, blackboard, bed, book. So what are the things we see in the school? What are the things we see in school, children? Teacher, okay. Teacher and blackboard. Okay, okay, blackboard, teacher, blackboard. Next, pencil, circle pencil, bag, circle bag, clock, blackboard, it's green board, book. Okay, children. So these are the things we see in school. So we have to circle these things. Okay, again I will show in the classworks. Classwork. Okay, blackboard, teacher, pencil, sorry, green board, teacher, pencil, school bag, clock, green board, book. Okay, now see, match the pictures with their pairs. Match the pictures with their pairs. We have to match the pair pictures. Okay, see, pencil, sorry, pen. The first picture is pen. Pen means ink. No? Pen means ink. First we see what are the pictures given. See in the left side children, pen, book, pencil, chalks, teacher. Okay. Now see here, first then set B, children, sharpener, green board, ink bottle and school bag. So we have to match the pairs. Pen means ink, book, school bag, pencil, sharpener, chalk piece, green board, teacher, children. Okay, now see we move to next bit children. Match the following. Match the following. See the picture and see the words given the right side and we have to match. Look here, first picture. What is the first picture here? Squirrel. What is the first picture? Squirrel. Second picture, bottle. Third picture, school bag. Fourth picture, book. Where is the squirrel here, children? Yes, it is last, Squirrel. So, you should match the picture to the word. Second one, bottle. Where's the bottle here? It's in third. B-O-T-T-L-E, bottle, no? So, you should match bottle picture to the word. Bag. School bag. B-A-G, bag. Match. Draw a line to the bag to the word. Fourth one, book. B-O-O-K, book. Draw a line picture to the word. Okay? Very easy bits, no children. Very simple also. Circle the things you carry to school. Again here. What are the things we carry to school? You have to circle it. Okay? The things you carry to school, you have to circle it. So first we look into the pictures. Chair, sharpener, green board, pencil, money, bag, bottle, bed. So circle the things, children. What are the things you carry to school? Can you carry a chair? No. Sharpener? Yes. Circle sharpener. Green board? We can't carry, no? Pencil? Yes. Circle pencil. But this green board, we see in the school, no children, green board? Circle green board also. Okay? Money? No. We won't carry money to school, no children? Bag? Yes. Circle bag. Bottle? Yes. We carry bottle to school. Circle bottle. Bed? No. No. Now see here, put tick for the things you do in school. What you do in the school, that we have to tick. Here are the action pictures given here, no? Here are the actions. So, what is the first picture? Reading. Second one, cooking. Third, sleeping. Next, writing. Next, fighting. And next, playing. So, what we do in the school? That we have to tick. First one is reading, no? We read in the school, no children? Tick first picture. Second picture, cooking. No. Third, sleeping. No. Writing, yes. We write in the school, no children? Tick writing. Okay? Tick that picture. Now next see next picture. Fighting. We fight in the school? No, no. Now next say next. Playing. Yes, we play in the school, no? Check the playing picture. Okay? Understood, no, children? Now, so how to write in the class work? These bits we'll see now. Yes, here, see children, write the heading worksheet 9, things at school. concept, write date, match the following picture with correct word, first bit. Match the following picture with correct word. Okay. So draw the pictures like this in the left side, children, and write the So children, draw the pictures like this in the left side and write the words in the right side. Okay, as I'm showing on the first ball, skipping rope, and book, and write words in the right side. Ball, pen, book, bat, skipping rope. Okay, so you have to match like this, children. Okay, again I keep in the app, copy from there and write in the class work. Okay, children, first I showed you, worksheet 9 first bit. So now we are seeing how to write in the class work. Okay. So like this you have to match the pictures with the words. Okay. You got it, no children? Okay. Pen, P-E-N, pen. Bat, B-A-T, bat. Ball, B-A-L-L, ball. Skipping rope and book. Now see the second bit. Here it is. Name the picture using helping words. Name the picture using helping words. So, just now we saw, no children, in the worksheet, bracket it is giving the words. See, it is given in the bracket. Net, 9, nose, neck, X. No? I told you to change there, no children? X. Nose. The first picture is nose. So write there N-O-S-E, nose. The second picture is net. Write there N-E-T, net. Third picture is X. No, E-G-G-S, X. Write X there. Next picture is neck. N-E-C-K, neck. Write neck there. 9, number 9. Next picture is number 9. No, write there N-I-N-E, 9. Okay. So draw the pictures like this and write the words. Okay. Got it, children? Now see, third bit, write the missing letters. Write the missing letters. First is N-E-T, net, N-O-S-E, nose, N-U-R-S-E, nurse, N-E-C-K, neck, N-E-S-T, nest. I'll read it out once again, see children. N-E-T, net, N-E-T, net, nose, N-O-S-E, nose, N-O-S-E, nose, N-U-R-S-E, nurse, N-U-R-S-E, nurse. N-E-C-K, neck. N-E-C-K, neck. N-E-S-T, nest. N-E-S-T, nest. Now see here, draw the picture of a bat, ball and color it. Draw the picture of a bat, ball. So draw the pictures like this, children, okay? Draw a bat and ball and color the pictures. Okay? Got it, children? Now see, we'll move to worksheet 10. Worksheet 10 also the same concept, no, things at school. First bit, see children, circle the things you see in school. What are the things we see in school? Those things we have to circle it. See, green board, pencil, school bag, clock, book, and water bottle. Okay? Draw the things like this and circle the things we see in school. Match the picture with their pairs. Second bit, match the picture with their pairs. Set A and set B here. The pictures are given. Here I wrote the names also, children. Okay. So like this you have to match. Pen, ink. Book, bag, pencil sharpener, chalk, blackboard. Okay. Now see next bit. Match the following. Again same matching. The first picture is squirrel, second is bottle, third is bag, fourth is book. Write the words in the right side, draw the pictures in the left side and match the picture to the word, children. Okay? Book, bag, bottle, squirrel. Like this you have to match. Okay? Right. Now see next, circle the things you carry to school. Here are the things. So what we have to do, children? We have to circle the things we carry to school. So here the things are given a chair, sharpener, green board, pencil, cash, bag, bottle and bed. So what are the things we carry to school? Circle only those things. Say sharpener, pencil, school bag, water bottle. We carry these things to school, no children. So circle these things. Okay. Again, these all bits I keep in the app. Copy from there and complete in the classwork, children. These are the worksheets. Okay. So we completed 10 worksheets, children. Okay. Next class we'll see 2 more worksheets. Here we end this class, children. No. Sorry. One more bit is there. See, put tick for the things you do in school. In the worksheet, pictures are given. Here I wrote the action words, children. Reading, cooking, sleeping, writing, fighting, playing. So what we do in the school? Reading we do. Tick reading. Cooking? No. Sleeping? No. Writing? Yes. We write in the school, children. Tick writing. Fighting? No. Playing? Yes. Tick playing. Okay. 3 things we do. Reading, writing and playing. Okay. Here the 6 action words given. No children. Six action words are given here. So 3 action we do in the school. Reading, writing and playing. Okay, like this. You have to write and tick it. Okay. So here we completed worksheet 10, children. Okay, next class we will see 2 more worksheets. So here we end the class, children. The same bits copy from the app and complete the class. Okay. Okay, children, take care. Bye. God bless you all.